Thank you.
Okay. Y'all carry.
What's the other one be the lightest?
Be cool. I wonder if my thing's still recording. It is.
Oh, cool. Don't lose it though in the rain.
If I lose it, I'm going to talk to Griffin Technology about redesigning there.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Y'all be careful with your backs, please.
Over to the yellow line and get it oriented in the way that you're going to have the riders carry it.
There you go, Tony. You the man. That's that. You say that the what? This is not probably how we're gonna.
No, this got loose.
Carry it. We can carry it this way.
Okay, we got to measure in the 4x4 cubes and get it however tight you're needing to get it for the 4x4.
Okay, this is good.
This is number 46.
Can we leave these orange straps under it?
You got it. You can leave them underneath, but you got to get them
okay.
tucked in where we can.
Like that.
Probably up there. As long as they're tucked in.
Okay, cool. Yeah, we're good. Oh, sorry.
Tie this up as you want to be sure it says 4x4.
I'm gonna untie this. I know. But no, it's squeezed as tight as it's going. So you guys been having a good time today?
It's been pretty good. How about you, man?
Well, how does it look like I'm having fun?
Yeah, parts of it. Looks like you're hot though.
I'm a little warm. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, I don't have my tape measure on me, but.
You need to borrow it? Here you go, man.
Cool, thank you. Steven? Widest point.
On the tire. This tire actually. Yeah. Focus on them little axles on them tires. They're sort of poking these days.
What you at? You're 0?
Yeah.
Because I'm at 48.
Really?
Yeah.
It's gonna be real tight.
Yeah, it's gonna be tight, but that's what we got. And as far as this goes, Tony, 0 from the top, please, sir. Yeah, from the widest point you can get out. Look down. Cool.
You're clean.
Yeah, I think we got it. All right, cool. Thank you, sir.
All right. Awesome.
Yeah, watch it.
$324 pounds. No wonder it's so heavy. You excited? Yeah. You should be. This is gonna be so much fun. Don't stress. Okay. Just take your time. Take our time.
Smooth on this side. How about you, sir? All right.
Cool.
Good.
We're beating last year's record all day. All right.
Yeah, we're beating
that record.
What happens if it didn't hit?
We get like a 2-minute penalty, right? If we don't make it.
I'm sorry?
2-minute penalty if you don't make it in the box?
Yeah.
2-minute penalty. That's all that happens.
You guys Middle Tennessee, team 1?
Yes.
We need the 2 riders. Got any questions? We're going to go over a few things with you.
Okay.
You don't have to really go get gripped up yet.
Okay.
But you will in just a minute. You have to have everything with you. You need to assemble over there. All the tools, anything like that. Once you get over there, you set it down just like you did here. The straps will be part of your assembly time. You'll end up sticking them in that little yellow box over there, and you don't have to carry them on the race. Otherwise, you got to carry them on the race.
Right.
So I guess that's cool, but they're dragging behind you, slowing you down a little bit.
Right.
You need to have everything you need to assemble it. This is not timed from this line all the way across that line.
It's not
Do it safely. It'll be timed over there, but don't.
But we get to set it down and then.
You set it down, you regroup,
cool.
You talk about it. So
Thank
big
you.
thing is working as a team. Do it safely. Walk together. Don't walk over each other. Okay.
I got you. We got you.
Whenever you're ready, y'all can get started.
So this is not timed.
No.
Cool.
This is just enjoy it. Walk. Be careful.
All right. I'm gonna let you get your arms in there first, Ashley.
See, I did
Yes.
that one at first, and then I did the
Now,
second one up, and my
Sir,
the
look
yellow
at your strap. Your strap looks like it's about ready to come off down there at the bottom.
I'm gonna make sure. I want her to get her stuff first.
Otherwise, you run the risk of dropping it. So
I don't want it to drop either. 324 pounds. Somehow it gained weight from last year.
Understand, these things have a tendency of doing that, you know.
I mean, we put a different brake system on there, and
Alright, what do you need to do?
just keep it taut for me.
Wait, I got more slack on my left side.
Okay, I'm trying to fix that right now. I'm not really too concerned if you're not concerned with that, Ashley.
Yeah.
I'll just, when we lift it up, I'm sure we'll kind of equal out a little bit. You cool with it?
The big thing is lift with your legs, not your back. You're only going to be lifting a lot of weight.
I should do this opposite way from the way I'm doing it.
Yeah, I felt that. It was weird.
All right, you ready?
Yes,
Move it.
All right, 1, 2, 3.
Okay, you got it?
We got it.
All right, walk safe. You're doing great. You're about halfway there. Keep it going. Doing good. Good teamwork. Very good. All right, set it down. Good job.
Thank you, sir.
All right, just undo your arms. Don't pull anything yet. Okay, we will be timing this.
All right, you gonna do the top one? You gonna try it? Just take your time. It's right over here.
Start. Stop. That one clear.
First thing, if you can.
One of y'all to say go.
Okay.
Okay. Then the time ends when you're both in your seat. You're
Seatbelts.
buckled in, feet on the pedals, and you throw your hands up. And you have to be able to pedal off. So if your chain goes crazy, you got to uncrazy it before the time stops. Okay?
Awesome, awesome.
All right.
They also have to put the straps.
Yeah, your straps got to be over there.
All right, yeah. So
Or
we're gonna
tools, if you got tools.
take this nice and easy. First thing, if you could just.
Should I take these out?
Actually, I'll lean the frame over a little bit.
And pull
Yeah,
that down?
yeah.
Pull these bottom ones out.
Pull those. We'll pull them
And
out.
I'll pull these out.
Yeah.
And then we'll work with that.
I'll have those off probably by the time, hopefully. All right, you ready?
Yeah.
Go. Cool, awesome. You're doing great.
Same thing with any of those straps you don't need. You can pop them over there.
Thank you, sir.
Y'all are doing good. Y'all are doing real good.
You can just undo it right there. And then pull it through. Awesome. All right, now we're gonna pull out either side. You ready? Uno, dos, tres. Oh yeah. Good job. You're good.
Y'all are doing good. Keep it up.
Just got some stuff for me. You gotta get these seatbelts. I got the seatbelts. You take care of your thing.
You gotta find the seatbelt. Seatbelts on one side.
They're there.
Yeah, they're camouflage.
All right, cool. Well, there you go. That's all.
We gotta be at about 1:15.
Y'all doing good. Exactly. Keep it going. Y'all are doing good.
It's percussion for you.
Hey, there you
All
go,
right.
man.
And I'm going to. Well, she's gonna sit on this side over here. Yeah, you ready? Let's jump. You got it.
Feet on pedals, hands in the
Feet
air.
on the pedals. Y'all doing great. Keep it going. Good job.
So that's quicker than last year.
Now we got to take some measurements in your feet at the highest and lowest point. We'll take a few measurements. Got to be at least 15 inches, and you're all good there. Y'all are way above that. Hold it right there. Yeah, that one's good. The middle one. Good. And then this one. And that's good. Perfect. Head up to the orange line. Good luck.
Thank you so
No problem.
so
Good luck,
much.
man.
We're gonna go to your right.
So you got to agree on which way you're steering.
Yeah, kind of like marriage practice.
All right.
What I do? I'm pedaling. Yeah, it is off there, isn't it?
No.
I signed up for a morning and afternoon shift, so they said a photo.
I got you. I didn't even think about that. Yeah, we
Sure, there's one in there.
that's cool. We got it. I got you, man. You can't help, man.
I wasn't going to help with that. They are helping now.
Hey, you guys go away. You can't. I don't think you can. I don't think you can.
Hey, you can't help.
Just keep trying to break the rules. That's cool. I know, Steven. It's okay. He's on the moon about half the time anyway. Hold on a second. All right. Doggone it. Yeah, I need to go backwards. Yeah, you guys just... Oh, shit. Okay, we're good. Wow, that was way too hard. Sorry about that. I'm a little stressed. I know, it almost went perfectly smooth and we just had a couple of them. It is smooth. Hey, you're really good at your job.
I mean, this is like a great movie.
You're really good at what you do. How often do you get to work with the Space Rocket Center? Constantly? Do you volunteer for this?
I volunteer every other year.
Yeah, I'll get it for you. Oh, really?
Touch anything else. Right. As soon as we're ready to go. Oh, okay. That's that, yeah.
I already got help
Yeah. 30-second penalty.
I'd rather get this done and take a penalty.
I understand. That's
Yeah.
Yeah. 30-second penalty.
That's fine.
Okay.
Thank you. I don't want the buggy coming apart.
That's why I said, go ahead and take 30 seconds before you break down up there. So.
Alright.
Do you have any kind of flag?
Yes.
Okay, good.
There should be one on the front too.
We can take a couple measurements.
Sorry about that, y'all. We weren't.
No, I understand.
I would have done that during the assembly time, but it probably would have taken 30 seconds anyway.
That's what we were saying too. It's like,
So we have received the penalty at this point.
you have, yes.
Just one though?
As far as I know, I don't know what you're.
That's going to be the only one.
There you go. There you go.
Hey Ashley, oh she's over there. I'm sorry. You did awesome. You've been doing awesome. Super good. Yeah, we got a 30-second penalty because we had to ratchet the thing down. We hadn't had that chain problem before.
I think whenever it was connected together, the chain was off from the beginning. I saw it.
That makes sense. Last year we received a 2-minute penalty because our wheelbase was outside of 4 feet. This year they didn't say we were.
Interesting.
Yeah, let's not offer any extra information.
Yeah.
I think the less we talk to them, the better that
You think those things are steel? Those light posts? They're kind of like aluminum or PVC. But
I don't think it's still.
you don't think they're steel tubing?
These little pads helps me. Yeah.
You got pads in there?
Well, it's just napkins with duct tape.
Oh, nice. I didn't know that you had that going on. Some engineering.
Yeah.
So we got boxes, we got everything. We're just about to put our seatbelts on. No, but I want to... It's just falling out. Yeah, I should be recording. It can be a GPS. Yeah, I'm still recording.
Oh, you're recording?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I've got like a 20-minute video.
I didn't know it was recording.
Do I need to get you to sign something?
Yes. We should put that sticker on you. Remember that sticker on the menu?
Yeah. Warning videos in process. I'm ready for a beer right now.
I'll race it. We're actually doing it.
Oh no, I'm not.
Sure.
I keep saying that.
No, I'm good. Y'all can do it. No,
My
I don't
legs
want.
are not long enough.
There you go.
It's adjustable. And
That's the devil is why I am not going to compete. I'm here for moral support.